Have you ever wondered where some vaccines for diseases come from? Many of them have been possible thanks to something very complex. And this is the animal experimentation. This is when animals that have human-like organisms are used to be able to perform experiments with them. In this case, to find a vaccine for different diseases. For science, the animal studies have helped develop modern vaccines. Such as the polio vaccine, tuberculosis, meningitis, human papillomavirus, and others. In medicine, animals are used to test drugs before being tested in humans. Because if something goes wrong, it can even cause the death of the volunteer. There are many animals that are used to experiment, such as rats, mice, rabbits, dogs, cats, and others. Like others that we can't see here. Mainly in mice, the cancer survival rate has continued to increase thanks to experimentation with them. This animal is a perfect example. Mice are very important to experimentate, especially the spray-towel rat helps with deterioration of memory, activity of neurotransmitters, effects of anesthetics, effects of tobacco and alcohol, nutritional deficiencies, epilepsy, genetic therapy, and others.
What happens with the animals? 300 million of these animals suffer each year in laboratory experiments around the world. Although it's a very good contribution to science, the animals are in terrible conditions. They can be poisoned, deprived of basic resources, they can present skin and eye irritant, psychological stress, they are infected, paralyzed, mutilated, irradiated, burned, electrocuted, and they can have brain damage. Even though the conditions may be different, they are deprived of their liberty, and although it is about giving other conditions, they are not made for a laboratory. What alternatives are there to avoid it? Following the 3Rs, reduce the number of animals, replace animals with cell cultures or computer simulations, and refine methods of welfare. Another alternative that has come out functional is human tissues and computer model in drug development and product testing using molecular biology, biochemistry, and analytical pharmacology. More and more are looking for change. Companies like Pampers, Oral-B, Gillette, Ariel, and P&G join forces. We join forces to make the change. If a man aspires to a correct life, his first act of abstinence is to hurt animals. Tolstoy. Say no to animal testing. Thanks for watching, made by Miranda and Ruby.